Hello guys.
Hello.
So we've got something very different for you in this vlog. So
Can you guess where we're going?
Can you guess? We've got
a Disney cruise.
Disney cruise. We've got a real adventure for you. It might be a Disney cruise, but this is the very first cruise that we've ever been on. So it's going to be a voyage of discovery for all of us. So come on guys, let's go and take a look.
Let's go.
So this is getting very exciting now. We are just about to board the Disney Dream.
Disney Dream, please welcome aboard the Perkins family.
Please welcome aboard the Mattel family.
And Disney Dream, please welcome aboard the Dollar
Family.
So we're on board the Disney Dream.
We are. Amazing.
So excited, it's absolutely beautiful. So we're going to show you around guys as we spend the next few days on this lovely boat. Boarding the Disney Dream was just like stepping into another world. We'd actually looked at pictures online, but nothing prepared us for just how beautiful this ship actually is. From the beautiful marble floors through to the exquisite Art Deco light fittings, the whole ship just exudes pure class and style. So we're just about to go into our stateroom. It's the first time we've ever had one. Ant's doing the honours.
Oh wow.
This is our home for the next few days. We've got our own little veranda so we can have a few drinks outside. Look at that. We can actually see the ship's bridge as well. So I'm just going to give you a tour of our stateroom.
This is our room. So you walk in through the door. You've got some wardrobes here. You've got a safe there for your valuables. Some more wardrobes here. Your life jackets up there. You do have a toilet and a bathroom, I believe. So there's your toilet. So you've got everything that you need. I don't know what that is. You've got some hand soap there. Let's test it out. That smells nice. And then you've got your bathroom here. Got a lovely little bijou bath. Not very big for an adult, but alright for kids. You've got some shampoo, conditioner and body wash there, all complimentary. So, some body lotion, plenty of towels, nice towels with a little Mickey logo on there. Some glasses here, plenty of storage, drawers, a lovely massive bed. Shall I test it out? Oh, that's very comfortable. That's in the lampshades. Got all the Disney parks on them around the world. Got a sofa here, which I think converts into a bed. a lovely big workstation here, lots of sockets, got television, got a small little fridge with any cold drinks or anything. Lots of storage, hair dryer, plenty of drawers. And we've got the lovely balcony here. 2 chairs and a little table. You can just relax and look at the view.
The staterooms on the Disney Dream really are the perfect place just to settle down and unwind in between all the wonderful activities on board. Well guys, we've just enjoyed the sail away party down on the pool deck.
Yes, it was a party.
It was like a real party atmosphere. And we're just setting sail now from Southampton and we're heading towards Zeebrugge. Absolutely stunning evening and so far so good. We really enjoyed our experience on the Disney Dream. The Disney Dream is one of Disney's dream class ships and we really enjoyed exploring her over the next few days and learning all about her. A little interesting fact, Disney wanted their lifeboats to be yellow, Mickey Mouse shoe yellow, which wasn't an allowed colour at the time, so they paid for safety tests to make sure that the yellow would show up just as well as the usual white or orange. White and orange had been the only colours that had been allowed up until this time. So, we've just been to our very first Disney show on board the Disney Dream.
Yeah. Brilliant, wasn't it?
Absolutely fabulous. We really enjoyed that. It was called Believe, and it was songs from all the most popular Disney cartoons. Based
so like Aladdin, Beauty Beast,
yeah,
Lion King, also.
It was absolutely fabulous. So we've just come back to our stateroom to freshen up, and we're having our first meal tonight in Animator's Palace.
Yes.
So stick with us, guys, and we'll show you what that's like. When Disney first started the cruise line, they looked for the perfect shade of navy blue, but struggled to find it. Eventually, a lady called Monica walked into the office wearing the perfect shade of trouser. This colour was taken to paint the fleet of ships. It is known within the team as Monica Blue. So we've just had a really good meal in Animator's Palette. We're just strolling back down here now to try and work some of it off. The food is absolutely delicious and the service is exceptional, so we couldn't fault it at all. So I think we'll probably sleep really, really well tonight. Cheeky shot of the cinema while no one's in here. Beautiful cinema, and it's showing all the latest Disney films. I think they've got Inside Out 2 and Wish showing, so we'll certainly be looking at both of those. There are some fabulous animated pictures around the ship. We really enjoyed looking at them. They are marked out by a magnifying glass on the carpet in front of them. Really super posh toilets adjacent to the theatre. So we've just got back to the stateroom after a really pleasant evening, and they've been in and done the turn down service, which is so nice. We've even got a towel creature. I'm not quite sure what it is. I think it's a bear. Very cute. So we're going to call it a day, guys, and we'll check back in with you tomorrow. So we hope you've enjoyed your time on the Disney Dream with us today. Good morning, guys. So we had our first night's sleep on the Disney Dream, and it was very comfortable and very quiet. We've woken up in a different country, which is amazing. We're in the port of Zeebrugge, or Zeebrugge, not quite sure how to pronounce it, but it's a beautiful sunny morning. And we're just going to venture upstairs and have some breakfast in Cabanas, the buffet breakfast, so we can have a bit of a picky breakfast. So we'll get you some pictures up there, guys, and we'll get you some pictures on our day out in Belgium. So keep watching, guys. Enchanted Garden is such a beautiful restaurant. It reminds you very much of the restaurants you would have seen on the old ocean-going liners. Very similar detailing, but obviously with that wonderful Disney twist. Well, guys, we are now in the town of Blankenburg, and we're just going to have a wander around here and see what it's got to offer. It is a beautiful Saturday morning. We've just had a really nice breakfast on the Disney Dream at the Enchanted Garden. We went to, what was the buffet called?
Cabanas.
We went to Cabanas and it was just too busy.
Heaving.
But it did us a favour because Enchanted Garden wasn't as busy and it was absolutely gorgeous. So stick with us, guys, and we'll take some images around Blankenburg.
Let's go.
Disney had laid on free coaches to take us into Blankenburg. We spent some time wandering around and taking in the sights before catching a free return coach back to the ship. Well, this is the pier at Blankenburg. So we've taken a stroll down the seafront, and we're just going to take a stroll to the end of the pier and take in some of the views. And had treated us to use of the Senses Spa during our stay on board. We felt after a long walk around Blankenburg it was the perfect time to make use of it. And we enjoyed it so much, we were back again the next day. There are steam rooms and a sauna and a series of rainfall showers to invigorate you. There are also some heated couches to lie on. I loved these. Well, we're enjoying a very peaceful interlude in the Senses Spa. This is well worth paying for if you're on the ship. It's super relaxing, and at the time we've come today, which is about 1 o'clock, it's really quiet, so we're able to make the most of these amazing facilities. Paolo and Remy are two fabulous fine dining restaurants on the ship. They have a wonderful little bar in between them called Meridian, which is the perfect spot for a pre or an after dinner drink. Both of the restaurants are an upcharge, so you will have to pay extra to dine, but we are told it is well worth it. Remy has the most amazing wine selection. In fact, they hold 3 bottles of wine at Disney, one of which is at Remy. It is a 1945 vintage and costs $25,000 for the bottle. It is the same wine that is mentioned in the cartoon. We saw 3 shows on our 3-night cruise. They were all fantastic. They were certainly West End quality. I think our favourite had to be The Beauty and the Beast. There is a fabulous area on board ship for adults only. There's a superb champagne bar, nightclub, and lounges where they hold quizzes, etc. We did a quiz on Sunday night and we had so much fun. In fact, the hostess there came from our hometown, so what were the chances? Disney Dream also has a great crazy golf course. We indulged in a game while we were there. Ant obviously won, but I had a great time too. Disney hold a pirate night during your cruise, and we had a fantastic time on pirate night. Everybody was in such great spirits. Lots of people dressed up and went to so much trouble with their costumes. It was such good fun. There is so much wonderful detailing on the Disney ships. I particularly loved the floor indicators on the lifts. We were also told 1 or 2 fascinating facts, including the huge chandelier in the atrium has no less than 88,000 Swarovski crystals.
So we're here at Cabana's for breakfast, and it's been absolutely lovely. There's a massive choice of things that you want. There's hot breakfast, there's pastries, there's fruit, you can have your own omelette made. It's just brilliant, and we really enjoyed it.
Yeah, so as Ant said, we've had a fantastic breakfast this morning, and we're going to take a little stroll around the adult areas for you in a minute or two, show you the champagne bar and the other areas that are 18 and over, so stay with us. The area known as the district on board ship is where you will find all the adult entertainment. It's very atmospheric with wonderful lighting, decor and superb attention to detail. The many staircases on board are all very beautiful. You certainly get your steps in on a Disney cruise. You really need to with all the food that you eat to work off some of those calories. Vanellope's is a wonderful treat place. Fantastic ice creams and sweets. These are upcharged, but they are delicious. You can actually get a wonderful ice cream in a Vanellope racing car which you can keep. At the time of our cruise it was $12.99. On our last evening we ate in Royal Palace. The food was delicious. I started with a pear salad and Aunt started with the French onion soup. We both had Chateaubriand as our main and we both finished with the opera gâteau as dessert. We were thoroughly spoiled. After dinner we went to the shops. Make no mistake, the shops on board are amazing. They hold lots of stock, including wonderful clothing, Mickey ears, all sorts of gifts. We had a great time mooching around in there. Good morning, guys. And it's time to say farewell from the Disney Dream.
It's been fabulous.
It has been fabulous, hasn't it? It's been our first cruise and we have thoroughly enjoyed it. We cannot fault the Disney experience. The staff have all been exceptional. The service has been amazing. There's so much to see and do that we obviously haven't had time to cram it all in. We've tried to include as much of the ship for you to see as we could. The only bit that we didn't film was the children's areas because obviously we've not got children. But rest assured they are equally amazing if you've got kids. So much for them to do. So we'd like to thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it,
Give us a like, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell.
yes please, lots of comments down below and we'll be only too happy to answer them. Thanks for watching guys and we'll see you next time.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.